When it comes to installing new windows in your home or business in Birmingham, making the right choices is crucial. Windows not only contribute to the aesthetic appeal of a property but also play a significant role in energy efficiency, security, and comfort. Unfortunately, many property owners make mistakes during installation that can lead to costly repairs, energy inefficiencies, and reduced durability. To help you avoid these pitfalls, here are some common mistakes to watch out for when installing windows in Birmingham. Choosing the wrong type of windows. One of the most common mistakes homeowners make is selecting the wrong type of windows for their property. Birmingham experiences a mix of weather conditions, including cold winters and warm summers, so choosing windows that provide proper insulation is essential. Opting for single-pane windows instead of double or triple-glazed ones can result in poor energy efficiency and increased heating and cooling costs. Incorrect measurement. Accurate measurements are key to ensuring a perfect fit for your windows. Many people make the mistake of measuring incorrectly, leading to windows that do not fit properly. A poorly fitting window can cause drafts, leaks, and difficulty in opening or closing. To avoid this, always double-check your measurements and, if in doubt, hire a professional to take accurate measurements before ordering your windows. DIY installation without proper expertise. While DIY projects can be rewarding and cost-effective, window installation is best left to professionals unless you have significant experience. Poor installation can lead to gaps, misalignment, and structural weaknesses. A professional installer in Birmingham will have the expertise and tools to ensure that your windows are installed correctly, preventing future issues. Ignoring local building codes and regulation. Birmingham has specific building codes and regulations related to window installation, particularly regarding safety, energy efficiency, and structural integrity. Ignoring these regulations can result in fines, legal complications, and the need for reinstallation. Always check with your local authorities or hire a professional who understands the legal requirements to ensure compliance. Failing to consider energy efficiency. Energy efficiency should be a priority when installing windows. Many homeowners opt for cheaper windows without considering their insulation properties. Windows with low-quality glazing or without proper weatherproofing can lead to significant heat loss in winter and excessive heat gain in summer. Investing in energy-efficient windows, such as those with low E-glass and argon gas filling, can reduce your energy bills and make your home more comfortable. Poor sealing and insulation. Improper sealing is another frequent mistake that can result in air leaks and water infiltration. If the window is not sealed correctly, it can lead to drafts, condensation, and even mold growth. Using high-quality sealants and ensuring proper insulation around the window frame is essential for long-term performance. Choosing the wrong material. The material of your window frames can impact durability, maintenance, and aesthetics. Many homeowners choose the wrong material based on price alone. For instance, wooden frames provide excellent insulation but require regular maintenance, while UPVC windows are low maintenance but may not offer the same aesthetic appeal. Consider factors such as durability, maintenance requirements, and energy efficiency when selecting window materials. Not checking the reputation of the installer. Hiring an inexperienced or unqualified installer can lead to poor workmanship and potential issues down the line. Always research and verify the credentials of any window installation company before hiring them. Look for customer reviews, ask for references, and ensure they are licensed and insured. Overlooking ventilation needs. Windows play a crucial role in ventilation, yet many homeowners fail to consider this aspect. Installing non-opening or fixed windows in areas that require airflow, such as kitchens and bathrooms, can lead to poor indoor air quality. Make sure to include operable windows in areas where proper ventilation is needed. Ignoring maintenance requirements. Some homeowners choose windows without considering their long-term maintenance needs. Certain materials, like aluminum and UPVC, require minimal upkeep, while wood may need regular painting or sealing. Understanding the maintenance needs of your windows can help you make a more informed decision and avoid unexpected upkeep costs. Conclusion. Installing new windows in Birmingham can be a great investment for your home or business, but avoiding common mistakes is crucial to ensuring long-lasting performance and efficiency. By choosing the right windows, ensuring proper measurements and installation, and considering energy efficiency, you can enjoy beautiful, functional, and durable windows for years to come. If you're unsure about the process, consulting with a professional window installer in Birmingham can save you time, money, and potential headaches in the future.